Just given this broken microwave. The problem, start it, nothing happens. The light comes on, nothing happens. So, take the cover off, de-energize the capacitor, and you start checking the door switches. There's a door switch there, there, and there was one down here. I was popping them all off so that you could test them a little easier. I got this one. You can see clearly the button doesn't click, it's just clearly broken. So what I did to remedy this, the connection there, first I tried just jumping it together to see what happens. What happens if you do that? You start the microwave, it works, everything's fine. You can hear that come on, works just fine. The problem is with it just jumped, you open the door, starts back up. So, to fix this, just switch on the side. Open the door, nothing. Put your time in, press start, flip the switch. Cooking. Shut the switch. This isn't a great fix, obviously. It's a pain. But this free microwave, it's a free fix. I'm just going to take it to work and use it at work as a second microwave. So just with that, switch just jumped instead of buying the switch.